we have this light. Okay, we're gonna change it to these lights. All right, so it's basically 3 of them up there in the ceiling. All right, so we're gonna take this one down and then put the new one back up, and I'm gonna show you the process how I do it. First, you're gonna take the lights out of the box. We're gonna do is we don't need those, so we're gonna cut them and strip it. Okay, and these are gonna have to go up there too, so I'll show you how this goes. So we got one ready. Okay, same thing with that. Cut that off. Got 2 ready. The last one. Okay, so we got 3 ready. Yeah, those are trash. We don't need those. And with these come in a little plastic, little screws and wire nuts, and you got a connection. We don't need that. It's trash. All we need is the wire nuts and the screws. Same thing with that. We do the same thing with all of them. I don't throw these away. I save them because you might use them in the future. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to take the old fixture out and put the new one. Alright, now we're gonna take the old one out. The first thing you do before you even touch anything, you make sure your power is off. I already turned my breaker off, but I'm gonna show it to you. That's my panel, okay? That's the breaker for the main light, the ceiling light is in off position, okay? And these switches are actually for the ceilings and some of the outlets, so we make sure they're off. The switch for the light above our head that we're gonna be working on, we make sure it's off. Okay, and we take our cover. Okay, trash. So our drill, it's gonna be a little bit noisy. Down. Just gonna, okay. Then we have our wire tester. Okay, push, off, push the button, on. Green means is activate. The battery's good. So we're gonna look for beeping and red flashing light. If there's no beeping and there's no red flashing light, so therefore we have no power. Alright, so we don't take any chances. Alright. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna undo those wires. Alright. That's our white or neutral. This is our ground. It's a little bit dusty. Okay. And this is our hot. And that's pretty much what you're looking at. Trash. That's me dump it in there. So sorry about the noise, trash. So now we're gonna go ahead mount our bracket. Okay, this is our ground. Then we're gonna get mount our bracket. That's our ground, the wire ground. Alright, this is how our bracket look like. Alright, this is our ground on this side, and this is our hot and our neutral on that side. As you can see, I like to separate my wires. Okay, I like to put my ground on one side and my hot and neutral on the same side. The reason being is I'm going to show you as I'm hooking up the fixture. And the round thing, white thing that I mentioned before, which is this one, this is the reason why we're going to add this thing. I mean, we could have just go ahead and paint it, which is could have made the job easier, but you're going to have to wait for it to dry and hook up your light fixture. So I guess they just want to go ahead and add these. Alright. Okay, now we have our light fixtures already wired and with wire nuts. Okay, the point that I was making earlier about the wires, because you see how your clips goes? You're supposed to go this way, which is this end here and that end there. So your wires on that side, say coming from the fixture, hooked up to the ceiling. So you want your wires to be on the same side, because you don't want your wires one here, one there, and then you're gonna have a crossover. Okay? Because what's going to happen is you're dealing with metal or aluminum, and you're going to have friction against this metal bar, which is a bracket, and you might damage your wires and create a shorter. God knows what could happen. Okay, so you want to make sure you have your wires on the same side. Okay, you're slapping in your wires on the same side, so you don't have that much trouble. So all we're going to do is just shove this together. Okay, just like that. Alright, let me go ahead and do that. So this is what it looks like. Alright. Okay. This is one of the scenario that I mentioned earlier when I was cutting these little connectors from the fixtures. Okay, so and this is a problem where you got two wires pigtail, together, coming from the ceiling. Okay, and one of the connection, that's the one that coming from the fixture. The light itself, you see I cut it, and you got the other one that, see this two opening, actually over here. One of the black one's supposed to go in and clip, and this right there supposed the neutral is supposed to go in at the same time. And then with this one, and you put them together, okay, so you can have your connection. But this is majority of our problems, where we have more than one wire coming from the ceiling box. I could go ahead and pigtail it and make it to one wire, but a lot of time there's so many wires in there, we barely have space, okay, to add more wires and extra wire nuts and trying to force everything inside the box. So that's the main reason why earlier I went ahead and just eliminated all that and just use straight wire nuts. Less headache. Okay?